Hello, saucy people. I'm Steve with Saucy One. This is our first cooking video, so it's going to be a quick and simple one. We're bringing a super easy recipe to you, but it's also one of my favorites. Camarones a la diabla, or devil shrimp. You can find this recipe, as well as many others, on our website at saucy-one.com. The sauce we're featuring today is Taco Fuego by Pex Peppers. This recipe serves four, and for it we'll need 2 pounds of medium uncooked shrimp, 1 stick of butter, half a white onion, 1 small can of tomato sauce, juice from 1 large orange, a quarter cup of Taco Fuego hot sauce, 10 garlic cloves, 2 cups of chicken stock, 3 chile chipotles, 1 tablespoon chicken base, salt and pepper for taste, and 3 cups of dry rice. If you'd like to make a more mild version, just use 1 or 2 chipotles or use more. What's nice about this recipe is that the only real prep you have here is cutting an onion and an orange in half and peeling the garlic. First thing to do is get your rice going. The rest of the recipe will go by really quick. In your blender, add your onion, squeeze your orange, add tomato sauce, garlic, chipotles, Pex Pepper Taco Fuego hot sauce, chicken base, and pour in 2 cups of chicken stock. Blend it for 2 to 3 minutes until you have a good sauce base. Next, grab a large skillet and melt your butter over medium and add shrimp. Cook for a few minutes and add the sauce. Continue cooking until the shrimp is fully cooked. It should take between 5 and 10 minutes. Serve with rice and enjoy. Taco Fuego is available for purchase on our web store along with many other fantastic sauces. Stay tuned for more recipe videos or check out saucy-one.com for our current recipe blog. Thanks for watching and stay saucy.